Evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, May the 16th, 2023. I've already solved two puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and two puzzles are left: the tectonic with 4 stars, and this one you are interested, the binary puzzle number 6445. Yeah. 6445. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 18 printed digits. Alright. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. So that box should be an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two 1s comes an O. Double O. Here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. 4 1s we have here. So the rest are O's. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, fourth O, fifth O. Sorry. The first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So that box should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two 1s comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double one, here no, there no. Between two 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double one, here no, there no. Between two 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct. 3 minutes. Well. I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one without comparing again. Yeah, without comparing. But we solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.